Good morning, 911 shoppers. I'm Adam, and we've got a great emergency review for you. We have these fantastic LED lights that plug right into your sockets. It's a really bright topic, actually. And we've actually got a really good day. You see what's going on behind me? Got a monkey here. We got all sorts of stuff going on. That's because it was my wife's birthday. No, she doesn't turn 0, but this is 0 at the end. I don't want to give away what the other number is. Big birthday celebration here. I just told her we're going to Cuba, so I decorated the house in Cuban stuff to celebrate that. So, let me tell you about these. I just installed these fantastic LED lights. I have a few notes on them. Now, first off, they're from lednitebrite.com, and it's lednite brite.com. I'll put a link in the description below so you don't have to memorize it. They can be installed horizontally or vertically, and they only cost 10 cents a year to operate, and essentially they just plug right in. They've got a sensor, and they turn on a night light to your house at night when it gets dark. I installed it one-handed, which was a little awkward. I was a little worried when I got these. I was like, oh man, I don't like installing electrical stuff. I always think I'm gonna get electrocuted. Turns out, super simple. They just slide right in, screw them in, and it's a night light. It's really easy to do. 10 cents a year. They ship to US, Canada, or Mexico. They're not available at retail stores, so you can't go to Walmart, you can't go to Kmart, you can't go to Target and get them. Can't even go to Amazon to get them. You got to go to the website. Again, link in the description below. They're a neutral white, and they are part of US and Canada safety standards for electrical devices. It's a great little thing. I'll see if we can overlay these things, at least pictures or video of them. Pretty good price, actually, and I was surprised again. I was super surprised at how easy they were to install, because I hate doing stuff. I don't like doing plumbing because I'm afraid I'm gonna flood the house. I don't like doing much electrical stuff just because I'm afraid that I'm gonna electrocute something. I don't like to shut off all the power in the house. This is super easy to install, super safe to install, so I liked it. So folks, I'm gonna go ahead and put an Amazon link in the description below. If you've got a kid, if you've got family members that you want to be able to light the hallways, maybe grandma, grandpa, it's a great gift for you want to illuminate your hallway, maybe a bedroom, just a little light in that dark area of the house that maybe is not safe because you're afraid there's burglars and people hiding, creeping on you. This is a great thing. Price is right. Website has all the information you'll ever need. You can pick them up there. Again, it's lednitebrite.com. They're not available at retail stores, US, Canada, Mexico. Get them for yourself. And if you got comments for me, tell me what I need to go see. I'm going to Cuba. Hopefully we're going to do a product review of Cuba. I'm going to tell you if communism probably not going to get a good review. Fidel Castro probably not going to get a good review. Raul Castro probably not either. But hopefully in the coming months, we're not going until September. I just told her about it today. A lot of fun stuff picked up at the dollar store for the wife. Decorated the house. You can see all sorts of goofy things around here. Took some of it down already. You can't see some of the stuff up high. But anyway, folks, I'm Adam. This is 911 Reviews. Thank you again for following us, subscribing, and all the comments. I really do appreciate it. We keep growing every single week. We're just getting bigger and bigger, more following, more sponsors, more people that want to show off cool products. And I love, I've never even heard of this before. This one came into my mailbox. Super fun product. It's a no-brainer. Go pick up a couple of these. Use them for your night lights. That way you're not wasting a socket on your night light at night. This takes care of it for you, and it's got a little sensor right there. All right, folks, Adam 911 Reviews. Adios, amigos.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.